Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about some more square patterns with the conditions. Okay. First of all, see here, if I give input as 5, then my results would be like 5 rows which are all denoted by stars, but the stars would be in this pattern. Okay. So how to approach this problem? First of all, I have already told you whenever the question is pattern printing, then please write this. Please write this so that you can see how to relate or how to give some relation between some outer for loop or inner for loop variables like that. Okay. See here. Let us assume this is the input. Okay. Sorry, this is the output. For value of n is 5. For value of n is 5, this is the output. So I have written everything. Now we want to print star in the positions such that, see here, the star is in this position, right? Then star is in this position. Then star is in this position. Then star is in this position. So these are the positions where the stars are there, right? And remaining position are leftover. Fine. So just watch here. What is the common thing in everything? See here, the 0 is common in this all row, right? In this row the 0 is common, right? Here this 0 is common. This 0 is common. Yes. Then here this 4 is common. Fine. Here also the 4 is common. See here. Here. Now here this 4 is common. So I can say wherever the star will come, I can say that whenever 0 is the row number and also 0 is the column number. Yes. So 0 is a row number. So row number, whenever row number is 0 or column number is equal to 0, then I can say I want to print star. Yes. Then whenever my row is 4 and whenever my column is 4, I want to print star. This implies whenever the column number is 4 and whenever row number is 4, I want to print star. So I can say whenever my row number is 0 and column number is 0, I want to print star. Whenever my row number and column number is n minus 1, because 5 is n, right? So whenever it is n minus 1, I want to print star. Yes. Then, okay, we have found this. If it is not equal to 0 or not equal to 4, then what should I print? I should print space, right? Here, I should print space. If I not print space, then the star will come here. The star come here and the star come here. The star come here. Yes. So that I want to print some spaces here. These are the spaces. Okay. So see here, for I in range of n and for j in range of n. As I told you earlier, whenever there's a pattern in which we want to do some stuff in square, we always put this loop, right? We want to run up to n, and inside also we want to do looping up to n. Yes, that's the structure for the square pattern, right? Now if I is equal to 0 or j is equal to 0 or I is equal to n minus 1 or j is equal to n minus 1, then I want to print star. Yes. Then n is equal to just a empty string because we don't want to move our cursor to the next line whenever the loop iterates. This is the basic syntax for Python. If you don't know about this syntax, please watch my Python playlist so that you can understand this. Okay. Now else print a space and then n is equal to a empty string. Okay. Then I'm just printing another time because we want to move our cursor to the next line once we printed the each row, right? Then let me run this. See here, the output is same. Now I don't use this part. Okay, I just comment. I don't use this part. Now see the output. See how's the output? There is no space, so the stars come to the second position in each row. Okay, so this is why this space is so important. See here. Now I have added a space. Fine. Now going to the next question. So next question, we want to print x. Okay, you want to print x. Just see here. I just use the row column notation. Now see here, wherever the star prints. See here, here the star prints, and here and here, here and here. See here, I highlight the row and column. See here, here are the star are printed. Now here, 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 here. So these are the places where the star is printed. Right, right. So let us take this. Where are star are printed? 0 comma 0 is the first position, then 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 3, then 4 comma 4. These are the places where star are printed in this line. Yes. Now by seeing this, we can say when the row number and column number are equal, I can say I want to print star. I want to print star. Yes. Again, see here, here 0 comma 4, and then 1 comma 3, and then 2 comma 2, and then 3 comma 1, and then 4 comma 0. So observe this carefully. Here's a small observation. When we are adding this 2, what is my result? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So I can clearly state that whenever I am adding my row number and column number, which results to n minus 1, that is if the input is 5, I want to print this, right? I want to print this. So if this 2 sum is equal to n minus 1, then I can say this print star. So what are the condition? When the row number is equal to column number, and row number plus column number is equal to n minus 1. These are the condition. Let us write it. See here, for I in range of n, for j in range of n, and if I is equal to j, or I plus j is equal to n minus 1. These are the conditions. Yes. Then I want to print the star. Else I want to print the space. Why I have to print the space? Because I have already told you. See here. Here there are space. Yes. Here there are only space. Just I highlight in different color. Here there are space, right? Here there is a space. Then here there is a space. Then here there is a space. Yes. Yes. The space which are next to star, we don't want to consider it, because however we are going to the next line. But the spaces which are before the star, we want to take it in the answer. Yes. So that's the reason why I have used this space. Now let us see the another pattern, which is when I give input as 5, my result should be like this. Okay. So observing this, I can say it is a combination of the first pattern and the second pattern, that is the square pattern on the border and the X pattern, right? So I can say what are the condition of square pattern. See here, just I go up. So see here, what are the condition of square pattern? It is I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, I is equal to n minus 1, and j is equal to n minus 1. That's the condition for square border pattern. Yes. And then what is the condition for X pattern? It is I is equal to j, and also I plus j, which is equal to n minus 1. Just combine it. Yes. So when I combine these both condition, I will get a new condition. So by using this condition, we can print this pattern. Yes. So to solve this pattern, we want to combine one or two pattern. So that's the reason why I have taught those two patterns. Then I have came to this pattern. Okay. So see here, that same structure, but only the condition is changed, right? So see the result. The result is same. Fine. Thank you.